Hey YouTube, this is Pokemaster Aiden, and basically my grandpa is going to give a little insight about some of the video games he has played. He has not touched a video game since 2010. I tried to get him to play some Grand Theft Auto, and that did not work out. So, enlighten us on your video game history.
Don't know, man.
Well, you remember the Turtles game, don't you?
I just went blank all of a sudden, you know.
Stage fright?
Yeah.
Camera fright.
Phone fright.
No, but tell them about the Turtle game, man.
Back in the day?
Yeah, and the pinball game, yeah.
I don't know, they got a new one?
You know I hadn't played any new Turtle game. You know I've been playing.
It's best to do it right, you know, as we're doing it now. You know, have a regular conversation.
And then cut it out.
Yeah.